We do have pile at 12:35, but I mean, we should be done by then.
Yeah,
We have
yeah.
red folder news at 9:45 though.
Yeah. And I think it says Trump speaks. I don't know if that's going to be anything related to the market, though. There's a little bit of news today, for sure. Makes sense why the range is so tight overnight, because it's just like really waiting on everything. Just not a lot going on. Okay, we got YM ripping off the open. Ooh. UNH.
You still in that trade?
No, I'm gonna take some of these profits though from Robinhood. Where is this? Where is this money? Come on.
Okay.
There we go. Just didn't update for some reason. Now it's there. UNH. Good morning, guys. As you trickle in, give us a second.
Yeah.
Give us a second. I'm a little under the weather.
A little behind.
Give us a second, my friends. Okay. Now, let's not be stupid. I'm going to get rid of this. $20,000 withdraw. Lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Cool. Oh, we got some rippers at the open here. Some rippage.
Yeah, all right. Getting myself together. Okay. What are we looking at?
You about ready?
Almost. I'm getting up my SPY charts now. We opened up flat today.
Yes, I'm going to go over it in 2 seconds. Sorry, guys. Sorry, I'm lagging.
Microsoft is fucking selling, unfortunately.
I wanted to roll some of those, some of that profit from Apple into those UNH long-term stuff. So I put $5,000 into some March calls for UNH. I do like that setup a lot. So I took out the rest of the 20K. Okay, good. What's up, guys? Good morning. Sorry about that. And just getting back in action. I'm literally drinking throat coat tea. Pause. Don't even say one word.
That was insane.
It actually is called throat coat.
That was insane, brother.
There you go. Kicking it off with some good stuff. There you go. You guys, I know you missed me. Good morning. Brian, Taylor, Luis, Drew, Pat, Luke, J Bulls, Fit. What's good, guys? Yeah, so it's Tuesday. Market's at all-time highs. We do have Trump at 645. Luis, correct. Richmond Manufacturing Index at 7. Yes, more news then. And then we have Powell at like and then this is Luis is talking in West Coast time. So for East Coast, add 3 hours. But Powell comes on, I think, at 12:35 Eastern time. And so yeah, we got some action today for sure. Where are we? Right? Big picture, zoom out, see where we've been. Look at my lines. This is my worst thing. I'm so bad at deleting those. Ripstick trend, right? All-time highs, pushing, doing its thing, ripping. So what do we have to work with? Nothing really on NQ, not that much. So when in doubt, zoom out. Hourly, what do we got? Very tight range overnight. So really interesting here how we kind of just made this really tight range. Usually that means like obviously some sort of move is coming. I'd like to see a manipulation one way or the other. So we are actually kind of starting to sell off and engulf this hammer here and both of these, which is really interesting. So I want to see if this follows through on this hourly bar or if it's one more sweep maybe down through Asia lows that holds and kind of comes back and reclaims and goes back for prior day high. That's kind of what I want to watch today, what I'm looking for personally. Because when you have a tight range like this, it's like it probably needs to be manipulated one way or the other before it goes the other direction. So it could maybe just sell off and die. We'll see. But that makes this really tricky because it's really, really slow. So for sure, the market's be waiting on data. So like if you're in any trades the second, relax. There's not really a lot to work with. It's kind of just my 2 cents on that. So let's see how we treat Asia lows. Obviously, we are coming into them right now. Let's see if we get some sort of sweep that holds and comes back in, because that would be ideal for a move back towards prior day high. And then who knows what's going to happen when Powell comes on. No idea. So it could be a little bit more of a tricky day. I kind of am putting my eyes on some stuff. Luckily, God bless Top One Futures. I just hit up the risk manager and I was like, give me YM. I'm like, okay, we will. And so now I have YM. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Oh, wait, not the compare thing. How do I do this? There we go, YM. So it's cool. Now I can have YM to trade on here, which is dope. Daily chart on YM still fresh all-time highs, right? Yeah, this thing is just ripping. So just slowly kind of grinding up. This could have a continuation. Obviously, it's already kind of doing that. This thing's up 200 points since the open. That's actually pretty decent. So let's look at my old friend that Lawrence hates, RTY. How's she looking? Back to the daily. She has some room to still towards all-time highs on at least on this this chart. So we got a little more room here on RTY. Might be focused on that because I do like structure to work with. And this kind of just looks like a continuation pattern so far. So let's see after the data, like after 9:45, how that's treated. Then going into 10 a.m. kind of the idea for today. So other than that, probably just going to be a chill day. I'm going to take it super slow coming back into it. So don't get all excited. Trades coming from me because they probably won't be too aggressive. Probably pretty small. But yeah, that's what we got going on. Luke, Nikki Pips, what's good, dog? Why it went off? It did. I need to be like Lawrence and just take my setup one trade a day. Seems pretty straightforward, but any tips, Lawrence?
Say any tips about taking one trade a day? Any tips? I think it's kind of like a learn as you go kind of thing. Like when I first started doing it, like I always say, like the greatest part about taking one trade a day is like you start to realize what opportunities you're willing to like forego and miss because you only have like one bullet in the chamber, and then what opportunities you're willing to, take that risk with your one chance per day. So then at that point, you'll know what's high quality, you'll know what you're willing to accept, you'll know what you're not, and even more important, you know what you're not willing to accept. So it's just like when you have one opportunity and one chance, it reveals so much about you and reveals so much about your system. And you just become a sniper. It's just precision, it's discipline, and you learn as you go. So go ahead and start doing it, and then from there you'll know where your strong suits are, where your weak points are, and shit, you just refine and you come back every single day. So as far as any tips, I would just say make it a challenge. That's what made it fun for me, is like, let me see if I can do one trade per day for a month, and then let me look at my stats. And I was very, very satisfied, very content with it. So,
I like it.
Yeah,
it's good. Good advice there. You did start to do the lose myself lyrics though.
I did. I did. It came up to mind, and I was like, I can't I can't do it. Let me try to stay original. Yeah.
You're
What
gonna
would you do if you
capture
only
it
had
or just
one
let it
shot?
slip in
You only
one
had
shot,
one opportunity.
dude.
Make it count. Are you gonna fold?
You're gonna capture it or let it slip.
Or are you right?
That was pretty
That's
great.
exactly what he said. Are you gonna
I know,
capture it or are you gonna let
literally.
it
Like when
slip?
he said that, I was like, this guy's taking the lyrics from Lose Yourself.
Yeah. It came naturally. It came
Yeah,
naturally. I
it's
guess,
what happens, dude. It's what happens.
yeah.
That is what happens. Absolutely.
Mom spaghetti. That's the first thing I
Yeah,
thought
mom
of.
spaghetti.
Mom spaghetti on my sweater already. Mom spaghetti.
Oh god, you guys made my eyes water a little. That was good. All right, we're selling off here. We got 4 minutes till data.
Oh
uh,
shit.
we do have some divergence going on. RTY is pushing up higher, and YM is, but NQ is selling off. ES pushed up initially because YM did, and now it's starting to come back into VWAP here. Here's kind of this area I'm a little interested in. Again, I don't have exact levels to work with. I think what I do kind of like here on like the 30, some market structure is just retesting like here to see how kind of this is treated. Here's your fair value gap on a 30-minute chart for all you ICTers, right? 950s could just be like a whole psychological level to potentially work with as well. So kind of want to see how this gets treated down here, but I don't really have concrete stuff to work with right here, to be honest. So let's see how data shakes us out in about 3 minutes and go from there. That's all I'm going to pay attention to. Otherwise, I just don't got a lot. But I do like this area a little bit. It's not overshoot a 950 here. Could be kind of decent, but I don't got any signal bars to work with or anything. 2 minute, 3 minute. That's real ugly. Real ugly.
Hey, read that out loud.
Mom spaghetti. He's nervous. Oh God. Side note, guys, my favorite accounts with Top One Futures. Shout out Top One Futures, the account I'm trading live on. My favorite accounts, the instant funded, the OG accounts are on back on discount, 45% off if you use code STRONG. So you can copy trade up to 5 of the 25Ks and the 50Ks, and then 3 of the 100 and 150Ks. So definitely go check that out. Those are my favorite. Oh, UNH is going higher. We love that. That's awesome. So go ahead and check out Top One Futures. 3 to 5 accounts, depending on the accounts. Use code STRONG at checkout. Boom. Go check that out. Check that on out. Okay, here's a little overshoot here at 950s. Let's see if this kind of holds here. Something to work with, potentially. I do like the 950 area, but kind of heavy. Kind of heavy. But I like this little stutter here. I kind of like this a teeny bit. 943. Yeah, I think I might try this, dude, into news. I know it seems sketchy.
Order filled.
You guys are like, what are you doing? That's so sketchy. Let's see. Oh, those fucking brackets, dude. That's right. Limit sell. Stop sell 5.
Place the swing trade.
You place a swing trade?
Yeah. On GE.
Okay.
Puts. GE puts.
GE puts.
Yeah.
GE. I haven't touched that thing in a long time.
GE puts.
Okay, I did like this over this. I like the setup a little bit here, actually. We got news in 10 seconds, so let's see if this wipes me or we go higher. I'm only risking $150, so what's it want to do? What's it want to do? Looks like pretty kind of weak. No, I think we're going to get it. I'm going to add. if we can get higher here.
Go to a higher time frame.
I know. Hold on. Is this going to take me out? That
I
might take
think you
me
should
out.
switch to the. I think you should switch to the 1 minute chart. And
No,
you take
fuck the 1
those.
minute.
Why?
I don't like the 1 minute chart, dude. It's going to be 2 minute or 30-second for me. I'm never trading the 1 minute chart.
That makes sense. I kind of swapped out of the 1 minute chart and went to the 2 minute chart for my entries. That makes sense.
I'm
1 minute
adding.
chart is just not. It's not reliable.
I just added on this. I like it. I like it. I like it, guys. I like it. Nice little reaction there. Definitely fighting and trying a little bit. It's not really getting too much follow through though. But RTY is just fucking pushing. NQ just too exhausted, man. Might just be too exhausted. Man, I really like this reclaim of this wick. Let's see if they can fight. Come on, fight for it. Fight for it. Give us something, man. Keep fighting. Keep on fighting.
Damn, bro. I need Microsoft to hit 530, bro.
Microsoft.
Like,
I'm not
damn.
really getting too much reaction here. I do like this 950 area though, but this is really just not giving me jack shit, bro. They're still trying though a bit. Let's see if we get a retest of 990s, which is VWAP at least. We might get it here. I'm gonna take some off into 89s if I can get it. See if we can get come up here and sweep this. Let's see. Nah, just so heavy. So fucking heavy still. Reclaim these wicks. Come on, fight for it. Fight for it. Fight for it. There we go.
Mm-hmm.
Trying. I swear there are little things in the tape that I see that sometimes like trip me up, but I do like them from time to time. Like on this 950, we had one more little blip lower that seemed like the failure on this 30-second. That's what I liked. It was like we came down here, we like barely overshot it initially, and then we have one more blip, and then we put in this look at higher low. Now it's fighting. Take it up to structure here at 89. So it's not terrible. It's not terrible. The hard part with the all-time highs, you don't have a lot of levels to work with. Like I said, one of the most difficult parts of trading all-time highs. There's not a lot of structure to work with, but not a lot of structure to work with. Come on, bro. These fucking tails, dude, are brutal. These things are destroying. Come on.
Yeah, those tails are crazy.
It's just fighting, man. A lot of fight here. I don't like the fight. Too much fight. Way too much fight.
What would have to happen for you to say, okay, this is actually a downtrend?
I'll wait till after 10 a.m. Let's see. This is pretty ugly here. I feel like this breaks here. I'm going to get stopped out.
I mean, it's reclaiming every time.
It's fighting. Yeah, I mean, you're not wrong. It is fighting. So that's why I'm just letting it trade.
But three rejections is kind of crazy though.
I know. This
Three rejections is actually
is
insane.
pretty heavy on the rejections, dude. It's just not fucking doing it. Let's see if it can hold this low, though, is the low. That's the only thing I can bank on in this scenario. I'll let it trade. I'm not going to fucking cut it early here. Because this 5 minute actually could shape up a little bit here if this is the, this could be another lower high or higher low. And this could reclaim this wick. So let's see. Because maybe that was the data and they spring it back and now we come to sweep prior day high. That could be something to work with a little bit. Just still this is just so fucking heavy.
I can't believe Microsoft right now.
I'm not watching it. What's it doing?
Nothing. Absolutely nothing. That's what it's doing.
It didn't do it. Remember, it didn't do anything for 20 years. Remember that one time?
No, I did not know that.
Yeah, dude. If you zoom out on the Microsoft chart, it literally went flat for 20 years.
Thanks for the assurance.
I'm sorry, but it did. That was before they were really innovative, though. It was before the Xbox came out.
I did have a 360 for a while.
Halo 3 was my shit, dude. That was the only game I played growing up.
Halo
Lisa
3
speaking
was a classic.
I almost said Lisa speaking at 950. Lisa said Trump speaking at 950 as well. Oh yeah, Trump is. That's right. I don't know. I thought Powell. My brain's not working yet. Okay, VWAP did move actually a little bit. I'm gonna bring this down a hair just to be smart.
Okay, another reclaim of the wick. Let's see if we hold it.
I know it is
Hold
fighting. Bro.
it.
Hold it.
Hold it.
Hold it. We got a little bit of structure to work with now, kinda. This is a patience pays one. See how we treat VWAP, which is roughly right around New York VWAP's here at 78.
We got rid of Asia lows too.
I know exactly. That was the scenario I wanted, a sweep of something. So we swept
sweep of anything.
Sweep of something. Pick up the house a little bit, dude. Come on, go clean your room. My parents used to do that to me. You want to, back when I was a kid, you want to go play with your friends? Unload the dishwasher, clean the toilets. But that was good. It's good. I think that's good parenting, dude. Make your kids do some chores and shit.
My mom was never. My mom, bro. Like my parents, they were like never home, bro. Like I would just be be outside playing all day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Back in the good days, dude. I think we grew up in the last era of kids going outside and having like neighborhood friends. I used to be doing mischievous shit on my bike. Just go to the local 7-Eleven and buy fucking stink bombs and throw them in people's garages.
Oh my god, they shouldn't even sell those fucking things.
I know, right? Dude, look at this. This action's god awful. Look at these rejections, bro. Pretty terrible. Pretty freaking terrible, if you ask me. The 970 is just like every time it comes up into here, dude. It's just awful. Really, really bad. I think I'm gonna get
Spy is still ranging too.
I know. It's pretty fucking terrible. Oh, here it comes to take me out. What is that? One more failed attempt lower. Make that one more failed attempt lower. That's what you need to do here. Don't take me out. No.
Jordan said it looks like the Lawrence model on the 1 minute. Okay. On the 1 minute chart, it definitely looks like my model on the 1 minute chart for sure.
Okay. Well, that took me out. So it wasn't like a god awful tab, just nothing to work with, dude. $289. I don't think it was terrible. But yeah, it's now I just gotta wait.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know,
Yeah,
dude.
Jordan, the
What
1 minute chart.
probability?
I would so Jordan, I would do entry at 954 on that 1 minute chart to break it at like that neckline, and then like my stop loss would either be Asia lows at like 972 ish, and then go for like a 2R. But I'm not about to do that because I need a 2 minute. I'm switching to the 2 minute. I'm not relying on
Yeah,
the 1 minute no more.
there you go. You were just bitching at me to focus on the 1 minute. Oh, see,
I
this
was trying
shit's
to
gonna
find like a
hold here,
medium for you.
bro. This shit's gonna fucking hold here now. This is the sweep that's gonna hold. I feel like. God damn it. I don't want to chase this though.
I'm going to 2 minute chart.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wait. Man,
Spy's still ranging too. I'll wait for a breakout.
no.
I need GE to fall. I need this bitch to go down to the ground. That
G
shit is a
G
rocket ship, bro. Look, that shit is a rocket ship. That shit is at like a what angle is this? Let me show you. Let me see. What angle is this?
hold up on your screen, bro. None of us can see this shit.
All right. This shit is at an 81-degree angle, bro. This shit is a
81
rocket
degree
ship,
angle.
bro. That shit, chill out. That shit is a rocket chip. You ever used to watch Rugrats, a rocket chip?
Rocket ship.
That shit is a rocket chip, bro. Look at this shit on the daily. Look at this. This shit is at an
Oh
80,
my god, that's why you're
70. Oh, this is
short.
72. Sorry.
That's why you're short.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I shorted this like right here.
That's
Right
crazy.
here. I was going to wait till this trend line break, but I was like, fuck that. I want to short into weakness while it's pumping.
I don't like GE. I've traded that before. It doesn't really move that well, usually unless it has earnings.
Yeah. So look at it. Look at the monthly, bro.
I know. So
What?
why are you trying to short that, bro? Wait for something.
Because, bro, this
Just
is this
just
is
because
where this.
overextended. Watch my reel from yesterday, bro. Just because it's overextended and it
No,
feels too high.
look, it's the Bollinger Band. It's outside of the band.
Okay, that's
That's why
fair.
I did it. It's
The
outside of
band
the
does.
band, and then I'm gonna take profits when it gets back to the mean.
That's fair. I like that
But
outside of
it's
the mean reversion bands work sometimes well.
yeah, it looks pretty well. So look at this right
Mhm.
here. It got out right here. That's not a good example though.
Mhm.
That's probability loss right there. Right here, right here, right
Yeah.
here. You know what I'm saying? And then
Yeah, I
right
fuck
there.
with that. I see what you mean. Drew, with the recent rally, a daily pause would make a lot of sense today. Too early to call it, but that would be healthy action. It would. This is correct. Correct. I do think that would be healthy. Any more structure to work with here? Not really a lot.
Why don't you look at YM?
It just straight up in the air. Got nothing. Literally no pullbacks in the 5 minute. Absolutely nothing. Finally, we tested a little bit of structure from yesterday. Retested this 925 zone. But still not really much of anything. Just a downtrend.
Little Lawrence model here. There's like a little Lawrence model here, a little Lawrence action right over here. And hit him with the 2R, right?
Mm-hmm.
Boom. This is the 2R right here with the little Lawrence action right there. Look at
Ooh, look
that.
at that.
Look at
Look at
the
that
Lawrence
color.
action. You know, I'm
Here's 10
telling you.
a.m. 10 a.m. news. 10 a.m. news. We be selling. Down into
What's going
30s
on?
here.
Little Lawrence action.
Spy's still ranging. Let's see.
Lawrence action there.
Why'd you take that, bro?
Because it's on the 1 minute chart. It's not on the 2 minute chart.
Okay.
That's risky business. And SPY is still consolidating.
We've got only red bars so far in Qs. VIX is up 1%.
Come on, Microsoft. Come on, Microsoft. Oh, is this a bounce?
That looks like a
Is this
decent
a is
bounce.
this a is this a spring?
Yeah, this looks like a decent little one here, but I feel like I might still sell up to 900.
Little spring action. We're in the business of reacting.
Man, that's a really nice 2-minute bar here.
Damn. MicroStrategy is down. Microsoft is down. GE is pumping. All my plays are going the opposite. Like, damn. Like, what is the coincidence of that? All of my plays are going in
That
the
used to be me
opposite
in a
direction.
nutshell. This will always happen to me, bro.
Like everything is the complete opposite of what I banked on at the same time. 0 for 3.
0 for 3. How we doing, chat? Anyone taking any trades? What are you guys doing? Jordan, I like this. So, sit on the sidelines so we reach 900s. I do like that. I'm kind of thinking the same thing on that. Just chill till 900s. Thinking something very similar. Something very similar.
Where's Lululemon?
Nothing really yet still. Spy's just in this range still, dude.
Yup.
It's not doing shit. Need Apple to go to
Not a
300.
damn thing.
I think Apple's gonna go to 300, bro.
You should hold it.
I'm gonna hold one and try to hold it for 300. But if we break 265, I'm selling pretty much all of it except one.
Spy got a little pump. Well, I mean not pump, but dump.
Finally. I know. I think I want to see 900s tested on NQ. Focus on RTY, pull back to New York, view up, lines up with 240.98 swing. Oh, okay. That's good. I like this. See, Drew, now you're thinking, dude. I like that. I like that. Let me pull that up on my other screen. Let's pull that up. Let's see what we're working with, Drew.
Spy breaks out to the downside a little bit.
I got a bearish engulfing bar on YM, engulfing the last 2 bars.
What are you gonna do about it?
Probably helping Spy with the breakdown. Let's see. Yeah, we back, Dom. What's good, bro? Mr. Dom. We are back on a slow action day.
KJ Long from 934.
Nice.
Grant and Blake, former Microsoft employee, rooting for you. Appreciate it, bro.
There we go.
Appreciate it. Why'd you leave Microsoft? Did you not like it? I want to know. What's the what? I don't know. It's like I always am pictured working for Microsoft. It's just like I don't know. It just seems like maybe like a dope culture. I don't know.
There's a recent viral reel going around of this girl that's working for Microsoft, and she works like 2 hours a day and just like hangs out in the cafeteria and fucks off the rest of the day. People are like, "This is why, this is what's going on." Like blah 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 blah. Oh shit! So
Yeah.
it went short NQ at the Open. Silver runner Chan, the man. Tanner, congrats on that Apple trade,
What
brother. So
up?
proud of you, Lawrence. What up, big dog?
What up,
Chan,
dog?
my man. Chan, thank you, bro. I'm stoked on it. I still got to close
Looking
out the
at
other half, but we'll. I'll wait. I'm waiting for it just to do its thing. So just letting it do its thing. Appreciate
are
you.
these longs I'm smelling? Are these KJ longs today?
Songs.
KJ longs today?
Damn. Just like that. That's how they're gonna do it at 9:30. That's how they're gonna do it. I mean, it makes sense. I got some structure there to work with, at least on the hourly. Retested the structure. TP's at
Got
9.
shit canned. It's not dope anymore. I work for LinkedIn. Oh, damn. Incredible culture into acquisition. Oh, yeah, that's right. Microsoft do own LinkedIn. That's why I was a long-term Microsoft holder because I was like, they basically own corporate America. And if I can depend on America to do anything, it's to be corporate and capitalistic.
I just don't like this action, dude. It's really slow. Market's just waiting on Powell to do something. It's kind of sussy.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like the IWM play, RTY play that Drew was talking about.
I'm going to the 5-minute chart. I don't think there's a reason for me to even look on the 1-minute chart right now.
No, there's not. Get off the 1 minute. You just said you're not on the 1 minute.
I'm using this confluence so I can see little signals coming up,
Okay, that's fair.
you know, little signals.
Let's see. Okay.
I'm gonna go for shorts here. I could be wrong.
I know it
I
just
think I
isn't.
want to try it.
I think it could work. I mean, it's just not a strong action. I think it's just tough in general. Drew, I like your pull to VWAP idea on RTY. I am kind of stalking that. Let's see how that works. Some structure to work with a little bit. A little bit. Something. You have a limit order to get in?
Yeah.
Fair enough.
User. Actually, I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, I like this.
Something about this. I don't know. Something about this. I'm gonna wait.
I have to be patient and wait to try it, but that is location. There's the trade. Exactly. Yep. If you're going to try it, that is for sure the location for RTY. I'll pull it up on my screen too. I see what you're saying.
You talking to me?
No, I'm talking to Drew. So you're talking about the retest of the structure, right, Drew? These hourly highs, basically, which lines up pretty much with New York VWAP on RTY. Problem is, so far it's pretty strong. I don't know. I feel like when Powell comes on, this might be a ripper one today. RTY could just be off to the races. The way it didn't even get close to VWAP. But maybe this does trickle back down. Boom. Then goes. I don't know. Tough, bro. Fucking tough action. Super slow. That swing chat, dude, is going to be interesting. It ain't a handout. It ain't a handout. Hal speaking during lunch hour. Yeah, he is. Yep, I like this, Drew. Been trying to be disciplined with what my trade is for sure. And that's the hard part sometimes. I know, no lunch today. I wonder. Not. What a day just to hang out, guys. Just chilling, just hanging, chilling and hanging.
Chilling and hanging and hanging and chilling. Mm-hmm.
Spy looks like it wants to go.
Qs don't.
I know, they do not. Oof. God. Those Qs.
Well,
these Qs are just fucking getting just beat up, bro. Look at that, man. But are those like the type of beat ups that get people going to chase this? Is my question. Look at how this is happening. Thin tape. Thin tape here. Thin fucking tape here. Back their 50s. Market structure is just weak here. Ooh, I kind of like this 3-minute bar if we can get engulfed. If. Let's see.
Kind of want to take this short, bro.
It's looking decent for the short. I'm looking to take the long here. This holds. I'm going to take this long here if this holds. No, I don't like that.
I like this short, but I'm not going to take it because it doesn't meet. It doesn't match my.
I'm long.
Order filled.
Stop at the low. Oh my god, I can't fucking. I keep that fucking. I hate this stop thing, dude. I hate it. I'm adding.
Order filled.
Yeah, that's stupid. That stop shit. I don't know why. Like, what's the difference? What's the difference?
So fucking dumb, dude.
It doesn't make sense, bro. I'm not looking forward to that.
Yeah, I like this now a little bit. Yep, I like this. If this bar can close good here in the 3-minute, this looks really decent. I really like this now, actually. If this can hold. Yep. Wow. A lot more decent here. What time is it? Is this bar going to close? I need this to keep pushing. 978 would be VWAP.
True. So I do want to have like a little transparent moment with everybody. So at this moment, I was thinking about taking a short, but my criteria is the opening range, break and retest or sweep, entry model, and then 2R for take profit, and then stop loss below sweep or entry model. So that's the system. And I'm thinking like, damn, we didn't get a clean break and retest, and I think we're going to go lower, and there is a chance that there can be a continuation lower. So therefore, I was going to skip out on a vital step of my system, which was, the break and retest or sweep. And what helped me decide not to take this trade is the fact that it's not in my purview. It's not my job as a trader to guess where the market is going or what could potentially happen. But my job is to make sure that all of my boxes are checked off in my system. and I had caught myself in the acts of that. So if that's something that you guys that's listening can relate to, focus on checking off the box in your system, not trying to guess where the market is going.
That's
Because
a
I
good
had like
one.
I had a whole internal debate in my head just now. That's why
Yeah,
I'm
internal
mentioning it.
battle.
Hmm.
Dude, are they gonna engulf this here? Come on, man. Looks like they're bamboozling both sides, bro. This 5-minute bar is so nice. This should hold. This just swept everyone and faked everyone out and then closed higher. Like this needs to hold and go fucking higher.
And the reason, oh, and another thing for everybody's listening, Juan and Matt, the reason why I was even able to like catch myself is because I decided to start journaling my thoughts in my TradeZella journal just now. Like I was typing out what I was thinking and everything like that. So when you're able to type out your thoughts and your inner dialogue and journal and notate that, then those realizations start to come to you and it slows you down. So you don't take any impulsive trades. You actually like write it down. Okay, does this make sense? Why am I hesitant? What should I be doing? It slows you down when you journal it in the middle of a trade. Georgia boy said Trump is speaking right now. What's he saying?
Mm. Yeah, what's he talking about? I just love that little impulse down on this 3-minute, dude. Especially the opening range low from yesterday. Right into structure here, the retest. Boom. See if we can get something back here towards VWAP. Fight through.
Yeah, for this type of price action, I'm just going to go ahead and chill on the 5-minute chart,
Yeah, I'm
honestly,
looking
because
at
it's
I'm
too
looking at the
much.
3. I like the 3-minute.
Yeah, I'm on the 5-minute right now. It's just too much. It's too much. Like if you go to the 1-minute chart and it's starting to be like that on the 2-minute chart, but if you go to the 1-minute chart, it's so many candles. Like there's just so many candles.
Barcode.
Yeah.
Barcode.
So I'm going to the 5-minute. So there's less candles and more direction. I need more displacement and direction with less candles.
Mhm. A little something here. We're gonna get a little 3-bar play here on the 3-minute. Question is, can
This
this
is
even
not
get?
this is not a bad long, honestly. Like I'm looking at it. This could be a V-shaped reversal going straight back to high day, 25.10. So that could be a potential profit target for you.
Yeah, I'm looking. I'm
That's
debating if
what
I
it's
want to
starting
take
to look like.
off at VWAP at all.
Look at the 5-minute chart.
Yeah,
Actually looks pretty decent for the long. Yeah. See?
I'm just
That
worried
looks like
with
that
this
could be a
action
V-shape.
how tough it is. It's like I feel like I got to be careful here with VWAP and debate. Like, do I want to take some off here? It might pin into VWAP and then die. It's a big possibility.
I'm not gonna lie. This may be a bit controversial, and I'm not saying you guys are just as bad. Nowhere near, but you guys are runner up behind ICT, the VWAP boys.
That dude, that makes no sense at all. ICT has a
It
7,000.
doesn't.
ICT has 7,000 concepts.
No, no, no. I'm talking about the belief in it.
Well, it's objective. Institutions use VWAP. Institutions don't use fucking ICT's fair value gaps and fucking that shit. I totally challenge you on that. You're completely wrong.
If you say so. I
I
just know
think
what I hear, and I hear commonalities about how you guys speak about VWAP and how the ICT boys speak about ICT. I'm not saying neither one is wrong or neither one is right. I'm not validating the method or anything like with the indicators. I'm just saying you guys both sound like pretty religious. That's all.
you can say whatever you want. I don't like this action. This needs to get a big old push here on this 5-minute through these highs aggressively and fast. More. More. A bit more.
Looks like a decent long. It's still kind of weak. It's still a little thin. Like it doesn't look,
Oh, it's
you
super
know.
thin, and everything else is kind of just like very subpar, dude. I don't really
Yeah.
like. I just don't like it, man. It just doesn't feel right.
I mean, at the end of the day, it is a decent attempt. That's what it comes down to, right?
I
Like
know.
just
I'm just already over this
taking a
price
decent
action.
attempt of a trade. Huh?
I'm just over the price action as it is.
Yeah.
I'm just like, if it stops me, I'm just like, whatever. Fucking over it, dude. Honestly.
This is definitely a decent attempt. It could have turned out either way. I think, especially on the 5 minute chart, this is a setup that you definitely would have taken.
This looks like a short setup to me, dude. All I can see now is fucking short. Look at this garbage,
Yeah.
dude. It's fucking trash.
Yeah, I know. I
Just,
know.
let-
I
just
know.
letting this. I'm just gonna let this trade, dude, and just let it take me out and fucking. I can get off the screens. I'm over it.
Jay Bull said he's still in short on cues. I mean, I definitely want to go short on this. I do, but I
This
have to
short
wait
looks
till
way
long.
better, dude. This action is dog shit, bro, and everything else is starting to pick up
Yeah.
short. Fucking take the
Yeah.
short and fade me, and then I'll just get out of here. I'm over it. This sucks.
I don't even know if I can do that because it's still up in the air. Like everything is still up in the air. Like I could say the same thing about the long. That's the thing. Like everything you saying that you can see a short, I definitely can see a long right here, bro. Like it's decreasing as we go down, of course, but
Yeah,
but during the time that you entered until now, I definitely see the long.
yeah. Look at this bullshit, dude.
Fit said he think NQ is popping long soon.
Could be just fucking with
Possible.
us, manipulating a bunch of shit. I mean, I got my stop at the low, so
This might be a nice little retest of that little area right there. And then turn around.
possibly spy into the range low. Whatever. Whatever.
Bro said, just take me out. I'm over it.
I
This
know.
shit's
Me too.
thin.
Pretty
You
over.
guys are you guys aren't doing anything. It's just as thin. Spy is
It.
still in his range.
Pretty over it here, bro. Pretty freaking over
Oh, the
this.
9 EMA here. The fuck?
I'm gonna add one.
Order
For
filled.
what?
Because I feel like
What?
it.
What?
Because I feel like it.
Bro. Oh my gosh. Has anybody ever told you like you're hilarious?
I'm just kind of over it
Like
today.
legit funny, bro. Like every time I'm guaranteed to laugh with you, bro.
I'm good. I'm glad.
I'm guaranteed to laugh with you.
I'm glad. That makes me happy.
Yeah.
This 15-minute ain't fucking horrid. Keep the stop at the low.
Yeah, it's not bad, bro.
Keep the eyes on the 15. That's all I can do.
Fit says the 1 minute looks like an inverted head and shoulders at the 9:30 opening range L. They said Tanner obviously loves pain. You didn't know he was a masochist, brother.
Yeah, dude. I'm big on pain. Fucking rinse me right here, and I can just get out of these charts. I'm over it. This action sucks. I don't want to sit. I just don't want to do this today. Kind of under the weather. I'm just not feeling it, guys. I don't give a fuck. What am I supposed to do in this action, dude? Just fucking sit here and just like fap? Like, what am I supposed to do?
Mm.
Cool. Let it take me out. I'm over it. Fucking do it.
Tanner's 20K is giving him indestructibility feeling. I can add because I feel like it. Drew, you a clown, bro.
I mean, he's
I
not
just made
wrong. I really
20K. I
don't
want to
care.
add because I feel like it. I just made 20K in a weekend.
No, that took me fucking 5 months, dude. It's actually like big picture, not like crazy.
Oh my god.
I did just check my swing accounts though, and I'm actually up like 60K on the year in swings. Pretty dope.
That is what's up.
Pretty good. Not bad.
That's definitely a salary.
Not bad. It's not bad. Look at this. Is this
That's,
gonna hold here?
it could look at
Give it a
spot.
handy.
That's a potential sweep right there.
Yeah, that could have been the sweep on SPY. This holds. Fucking bamboozles everyone.
I'm taking an ES trade.
This ain't bad, dude. My ad looks decent now. I'm gonna add one more. Actually, I don't know if I'm going to.
Oh god.
I'm not gonna add one
Never
more.
mind. Hold on.
I know. I like this little 2-minute here. This looks decent. If this, it didn't get above it though.
If it breaks this low, then we're going to the downside for sure. If spot breaks this low,
I don't know, dude. Let Powell come on and fucking do some actual work. I don't think anything's gonna happen. I think everyone's gonna get fucked until Powell comes on. Honestly.
yeah, probably. I do see this inverted head and shoulders on the 2-minute.
Order
That
filled.
original
I added
was
one
talking
more.
about.
That's it.
I mean, it's not a bad attempt. It's definitely up in the air.
This will be max loss for the day if I hit it. Whatever. The good thing is I'm good at letting it trade and not being a bitch of like, oh my god, am I gonna take it off? I'm worried about my money. I'm just like, no, just let it trade. Oh, look at it now. Look at okay, not bad.
Mm-hmm.
Not bad. Do I get double bamboozled here? Let's see. Big bullish engulfing bar. Big old bully engulfing. I want 25K. Let's see if that hits. Let me good target. Probably
This is a good long.
Probably suit 2510s though. Yeah, this is a really good long now. Looks really decent. If it failed to break the range, break 930 range low again, you're good. Yeah, it could. I mean, we're coming in a New York VWAP now, actually testing it here, right above. Does it get through? I'm gonna put some alerts. Let's get some dopamine alerts going. Oh man, it's gonna be like a Dayquil and type day for me. I'm gonna be synthetic all day today. Dayquil, caffeine. I really don't like how I can't drag and drop this for the sell thing. Drew, here comes your IWM pullback to VWAP.
Bro, it's fucking dark and it's 10:30 in the morning. It's about to start raining all day.
That's what happens when you live in Florida. Do you lift when you're feeling under the weather? This is a really good question. I was thinking about this today. One thing one of my coaches told me is anything below the neck, meaning like if you're cold and you feel really achy, like body aches, actually, you should not lift. But if it's just a head cold and you're kind of just like, I'm fine, maybe throat or whatever a little bit, go fucking sweat and lift. Put some light in here, dude. God said, let there be light. All right. Look at this fucking action, bro. This is disgusting. I'm fucking sick of this. Take me out. Let me go do something else. $30-minute, not that nice. 15, this will probably engulf this whole wick and destroy me. Hourly? No. See this 15 flip higher. That'd be nice. If this can engulf here, something to at least work with. At least in the 975s, I'd like 25K. I'd really like 25K, or even a sweep of 2510s would be fantastic. Sleep at 2510s, and I'm out of here. That's the goal. Let's see if we can get it. Actually, sweep at 2510. Limit sell 10. Let's see if we can get it. Let's see. What's the R on this? Everyone, so they can see for in terms of risk reward. That's how I love to structure my trades. I'm risking $500 on this trade to make nearly 1,500. There's a 3-to-1 R multiple, my friends.
Okay, so overall, I'm good. I'm up 10% on my TTD leap. I'm up 10% on my TTD leap. I'm down 4% on my GE puts, but I just did that this morning. I'm up 11% on my MicroStrategy calls, and I'm up 52% on my Microsoft calls.
I'm gonna give you some wisdom advice here. Don't put on any more swing positions.
Oh, I'm already out of cash. That was
Yeah,
my
some of my like worst
allocation.
trading. Some of my worst trading is when I have way too many positions on and my mind's all cluttered from it. And
I'm not even trying to pay attention to them. Like I've set alerts for my profit targets and everything, so I'm not moving until I start getting dopamine alerts.
Dopamine alerts. I know. I'm just like, I just know how that goes. I've just done it so many times where I'm like, Drew, your pullback to view up here on IWM. That structure is looking decent. It's trying a bit. If you're keeping an eye, see this looks shit. This looks like it just wants to engulf, dude. To me, I can't. This is just fucking terrible. This 960. I don't know why this is fucking molten lava. They just don't want it. They don't want to fucking get it past here. Ridiculous. Damn, Trump is just fucking chirping right now.
He's talking still.
Yeah, well, my Walter Bloomberg alert thing is just going off on my phone.
That's why I don't like old people. They should have their own. They should have their own like sovereignty.
Trump's complaining about Tylenol and shit.
I do not like old people, bro. I'm so sick of old people. They just talk so much. They're always in the way. They just need to have their own government. And I don't think anybody past the age of I don't think anybody past the age of 60 should be, or really 65 max. Really 60, honestly. 60 should be president, honestly.
I think the requirement needs to be older than what, 35?
Yeah,
dude,
but
UNH looks nice, bro. I think I got a good entry on it.
they need to be on their own island.
To be on their own island. Cool. I'm up $1,000 on this.
STDs are like really high in old people's homes.
Really?
Yeah, they be fucking, bro.
Epstein Island. I was waiting for someone to say this. Yeah, dude, this shit's gonna take me out, bro. This looks fucking terrible. I'm just letting it trade. I'm overthinking about it, but This is just so bad, man. This action is just terrible.
This trade, bro. You up 30K.
I'm up $1 bajillion.
I like having rich friends. It inspires me.
You always say that. I like having rich friends. I definitely agree with that, though, dude. Fucking, I posted a reel about this one time. It's like, I think when people are like, that whole, you shouldn't talk about money like around other people, you know, it might hurt their feelings. No, dude. Fucking get
You're
inspired.
insecure because you're broke.
You're insecure because you're broke. Fucking get inspired to go make some money. Like people aren't doing it to brag. Some people are, but like that's never how I viewed it at all. When anyone talks about money, I never view it like that. All I think is like, even because sometimes people talk about money and I'm like, this guy's fucking stupid. And this guy figured out how to make money. How can I figure out how to make money? That's all. I always do that. I'm like,
there's stupid people at all levels.
I'm like, if they can figure it out, why can't I figure it out, bro? And so I'm like, I just got to figure it out.
Yeah. And honestly, I think, and this may be unpopular, but I mean, of course, you know, you don't just put all the cards on the table, but I feel like people who just like try to hide how much they've made or how much money that they have, those are normally the broke people. I think like people that actually have money be like, oh yeah, I made X amount of money or whatever. Like they're pretty transparent about it because it's like whatever. It's only like broke people that's just like, oh, you don't need to know what's in my bank account, or you don't need to, or don't worry about how much I made. Like, okay.
Yeah, agreed.
You can always say no. You can tell me that you made $100,000 this month, Tanner, and just by you telling me that, what's going that's probably going to make me be like, oh, can I borrow $1? You can always say no. Like it doesn't really matter.
Literally, yeah, I really like this RTY pull active VWAP. I'm taking this to my top step account on the side.
I really like this TTD trade.
Drew, I'm long the RTY trade on a side account for reference. I do like it. I do like it, my friend. Very, very decent. It's starting to look better.
Yeah.
Better. Let's see.
Like on the 5-minute chart, I wouldn't mind taking this long. We got a nice little entry model right here, but I don't know. Like, is that like a valid sweep? That's my thing.
Let's see. Let's see.
There's a shift taking place.
There's a shift taking place. There's a snake in my boot.
Mm-hmm. Bro, Tesla is insane. The way that this shit really moves is just absolutely diabolical.
And every time I'm like, oh, it's not going to do that again. And it does it every fucking time, bro. Again, yeah. Every time, bro. Like literally.
Every single time. Every time. KJ, down for the day. This PA dream, my mental capital. I applaud you, KJ. I do. You got to be self-aware of how much you can accept and all that good shit.
God, yeah, this action is just fucking horrid, dude.
Yeah, it's pretty horrid.
It's just consolidating under VWAP, honestly. Doesn't give me
it is. I see it.
Doesn't give me a lot of excitement here, to be honest.
I didn't see somebody talking about gold for a second. I forgot to look back at that.
Gold. Drew, did you take that
I'm not
pullback to
sure. I'm not
VWAP?
trading that shit.
I wonder if he did. Waiting for the test of 24.98.5. One more push down. 24.98.5. Oh, yeah, I think you got it. I don't know if you took it. Boom, 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 boom. This is it. It's going to go.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. No matter what happened, guys, we're all in this together. All in this together. There we go. A little push here. I just looked up and I was like, okay, all right, let's see. Into VWAP here. Into the old Whoppy. Into the old Whoppy. Oh, you hear that? Dopamine alert.
Dopamine alerts.
Dopamine alert. Bag alert.
Bag alert.
Bag alert. DJ Khaled. We the best.
It's going to 25.15s.
I'll take it at 25.10s. I'll take it at 25.10s.
Tesla.
Right into VWAP. Let's see. Does this get see what happens here? Is this gonna get fucked? Keeping the stop at the low. I have no idea what's gonna happen on this pullback. No idea. Absolutely no fucking clue, bro. No clue.
Hold the line.
Hold up.
Hold
Wait a
the
minute.
line. Hold the line.
See, that's what I'm talking about, dude. This rejection of VWAP's ugly. Ugly. Disgusting. God, the IWM play, Drew. I hope you took that. That's fucking gorgeous, dude. Something wrong with my order. It's not filling me. Huh. It looked so nice. Still pushing too. Really good. Real good push here. An IWM, not on the old Qs. Qs got fucking rejected fat at VWAP here, dude. Like a just stuffed. Like a bully stuffing a kid in a locker. Oh, did you hear that? I don't know if you guys heard that. Can you guys hear that?
Hear what? Was it earthquake?
No, it was me getting filled in my RTY. I'm out of RTY, Drew. Just covered me.
I didn't even know you took an RTY trade.
I took it on top step on the side.
Where's your top step accounts at? They just look maybe healthy, aren't they? They're pretty healthy, aren't they?
Nope. Before vacation, I fucking nuked one. They are not healthy. They are not healthy. This pullback to VWAP is healthy rejection so far.
Stock market scientist Tanner, what kind of issues have you had with Trade Syncer? I'm thinking of trying it, but don't want to fuck around and lose accounts because of
I stopped using it, bro. I stopped using it because they had too many issues with it, and I was told them fucking refund me until you figure it all out. And the guy was like, "All right, for you, I can do that." But he's like, "You tell me how much you bench," and I told him, and he did it. So I think they have potential. It just, for me, it was the whole like live account. Like, I'll do that. That's what started fucking me all up, man. There's like the live account connecting with like this and that, doubling my orders and all that shit. I was just like, no, man. I was like, I'm not doing that. So yeah, for me, I was like, it's gonna be a no for me, dog.
I want this long because I think it may reclaim this wick.
It might. That's why I'm just leaving my stop and letting it trade. It's a really nice rejection of both VWAPs, though. Like I'm being objective with that. That's for sure.
Would you have taken this short based on that rejection of VWAP?
Yeah. Yeah, probably. I mean, the short idea here would be right when this breaks this bar. Now you're short and your stop's just at the high. And you're looking to target the range low. It's probably only a 1-1. What is it? 53s down to
Target your stop loss.
Yeah, basically. Pretty much, yeah. This is gonna look to target my stop loss. That's what they're gonna want to do. But YM is getting the most beautiful bounce ever right now. Fuck. I want this pullback to view out. This is fucking money, dude.
Yeah, that's cash.
Look
that
at this.
Looks like that. Yeah, no, that looks good, bro.
This is a nice one. This is a nice one. Drew, you might be able to take this. If you miss it, Drew,
that looks good.
Fucking take this long, put your stop at the low, and fucking yeah, dude. This thing's gonna take me out on NQ. It's too weak. Shit's way too weak, bro.
Don't speak too soon.
I'm not touching it. I'll let it take me out. I'm not overthinking anything. Everyone that overthinks stuff in this area is going to get burnt.
That shit can turn around, and next thing you know, take off. You know what I'm saying?
They should refund you for in your live account from Jay. I know, right? I wish. Yeah, this is gonna be done. We're gonna be done here, guys. All this for nothing today. Only 2 trades actually, so really wasn't that much of anything. Action just sucked.
Oh, Spy may have a setup for me.
Long?
It's a break and retest. I'm trying to see how it's going to react. I need to see some type of reaction here.
Did we sweep these lows on Spy at all?
Yeah, a few times if you look on the 2-minute chart.
We didn't sweep Asia lows though on ES.
Oh, yeah. Let me see. Let me go to my ETH.
But it doesn't have to. It could hold it. This could hold.
Yeah. Hold it.
On it. This shit's done.
What time is trial speed? 12:30? 12:35, right?
Yeah. This shit feels so done to me, dude. Feels pretty done to me. Nice bounce on Spy. Man, that IWM and RTY bounce was fucking fire off VWAP. That was textbook. Super textbook, dude.
Christine can actually trade.
Yeah, Christine's a good trader.
She is. I've been looking at her trades, bro. It's just her psychology. It's her mental edge.
One more push back into the range low that holds, and then we reclaim all this, and we fucking finally rip to range highs.
Can we take that shit?
Is it going to be one of those? Is it going to be one of those? Now my wrist settings locked. It's on liquidate and block. Look at that. Locked it out. Lock out those wrist settings. Not today.
Oh, that's right.
I'm not fucking with that shit, bro. Yeah, this looks pretty comatose to me. I think it's done. Yeah, I'm gonna keep talking shit on it and saying, "Oh yeah, it's gonna fail. It's gonna fail."
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
It's going
keep
down.
yeah, it's going
Ass.
down. Yeah, it's
Oh,
ass.
bitch.
Nah. This is another fake out. Nah. They ain't buying this. They don't want to buy this.
You're not smart enough to buy this.
Yeah, there's no way, dude. It has
Where's
to
that
go.
dude that predicts the future? Where's he at?
Oh, Paris.
Yeah.
Where's Paris at? He's just watching the shadows. What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
I want to take a long on ES so bad.
Take the YM long.
I want to take this ES long.
Take it. It's almost 8 a.m., 11 a.m. If you're gonna take it now.
You gotta be patient.
Bookie. Bookie.
Patience. Patience, young grasshopper.
Oh man, I need some coffee. I'm fucking tired.
Oh my god, Spy's 2-minute looks absolutely horrific. Are we calling it a day, chat? Are we calling it a day?
Let's see what 11 a.m. brings. Talk dirty to it. There's not really a lot going on.
Crazy reject off of VWAP is still no new low a day. Coin flip.
Coin flipper.
ES got several attempts lower, but hasn't sold off. And I see a little Lawrence model right here for the long.
Mm-hmm. Come on. Two minute is trying to 2 minute. The 2 minute is 2-minuting. There we go. A little something. Let's get this wick reclaimed. Come on.
I'm about to enter long.
Back it if you do.
Mm-hmm.
I support that because I'm long, obviously. I support this message. I wonder if it's going to hold. I think maybe it will. One of those where it just holds low a day. It has a bunch of fake outs when we get close to it. I don't know what it's looking like so far because it's had so many where it's gotten really close, but it just faked out. That was a bigger picture. 30 minute. 30-minute is really not too sexy here. If we close higher here, it's going to look good. You got 5 more minutes still. Ooh, look at the 15-minute chart.
Oh man,
Look at the 15-minute chart on NQ. This is nice, actually. This is fucking real nice now. Man, this looks really, really nice.
all right, man.
I really like this on NQ. This is sexy. This is pretty sexy. Pretty sexy. Pretty freaking sexy. Depends how it closes here, though. It's gonna fucking reject the 60s again. Sick of the 60s being rejected, man. I'm disgusted with it and sick of it.
Me too.
Just look what they do every time, dude. It's just like so annoying. This 15-minute bar needs to close higher here. If this can close good, I think we might be chilling. But if this closes like down here, you just say about these 50s. The main thing. It's gonna be the main thing here. I just don't want to do it, dude. We're just rejecting VWAP again. This is a VWAP rejection day. That's what's happening here. Yep, this is donezo. Toasted. Fucking toasted, dude. Absolutely smoked, coma toasted.
Hmm.
Oh man, 2 minutes. I love it. It looks good. Oh, it's toasted. I know. That's how fast price can change. It's how fast price can change, my friend. It is Chop City. It really is. That's why I just gotta leave it at the extreme, let it trade. It did look so good 2 seconds ago. It really did. And then they just fucking smacked it down. Beat it up. Right into New York VWAP. Just stuffed. Stuffed.
Mm-hmm.
Man, this is pretty brutal. If something doesn't happen,
Sometimes. Hmm.
so if something doesn't happen in the next 5 minutes, I'm just gonna leave it open to let it trade and then go fuck off. Something needs to happen here at 11 a.m. Market's for sure waiting on Powell, though. More than likely. Brutal. Brutal.
Oh, that long was good, man. It still might be though, but I'm just saying, like, I thought that was going to be like the takeoff.
I know.
No, this shit's cooked.
Yeah, this looks cooked.
Damn, I knew I shouldn't have traded today. I low key in the back of my mind, and then I just went ahead and did it anyway because I just thought that that long would have been like pretty good.
Market's waiting on Powell. You know, it's a boring day when you're watching the 15-minute chart.
Definitely.
A real boring day when you're watching the 15-minute chart. All right, dude. It's fucking just come take us out. We've been patient. I'm over it. This is so
Don't take
over
me
it.
out. Shoot that motherfucker straight to the moon. Go straight up. Do not take me out. Take me out. Take my take profit out. How about that? No, this shit's over.
Oh, it's so done. It's gonna come sweep liquidity and then fucking come work. Some bullshit. Just way too weak. That pullback to view all projection was perfect, and then it did it again. It's weak. Trump almost done. We'll get some decent PA when Powell comes on. SPY just broke the lows.
Again?
Yeah. But maybe that was the sweep finally it needed. NQ doesn't. You took the rejection short. Good. No, Drew, this is good. You followed your system. Good job. I support this. It doesn't. We're not always right, bro. Mike, what's good? Mike and Strong Trading, dark mode trading. We're just sitting here through fucking nonsense, dude.
That shit might be cooked, bro. I need that shit to go. Turn around. You ain't hit my stop loss yet. There's still opportunity here.
I'm ready to be stopped. I want to be the team man. It's okay. You can go against us, bro. I would actually laugh a lot really hard if this low still holds and this is the final low.
It's not over till it's fucking over, bro.
It's not over till it's over. That's why I leave stops at the extremes.
Not over till it's over. Maybe that's the sweep that SPY needed, and NQ don't need the sweep. Isn't that what somebody said?
No, honestly, you're right, Lawrence. That's a very good scenario. It's very, very possible. Jan, you're late to the party. Jan Tobias.
Tobias, fam.
Tobias. Market's waiting for Powell to speak. Yep. We've been saying that the whole damn time. Jay, it's okay. Okay, you can fade us. It's totally okay. It's gonna with PA like this, dude. It's kind of a toss up.
No, this is cooked.
T, look at this guy, T. You obviously have watched only the stream the past 2 weeks, but I literally have probably taken more payouts than your entire fucking net worth, faggot.
Damn. Just need to inverse Tanner and you'll be a millionaire. Every time I watch this stream, you get cooked. Don't know if I've seen one winning trade. Okay. Okay. Okay.
That was worthy of calling that out.
Mm.
Oh man, this is so slow. Dude, I'm really over this. Bro, I shorted it overnight low and I've been praying it gets stopped for half an hour. I know, right? Like it's just awful action where you're like, okay, just take me out. Just take me out. But it's good, Mish. I'm proud of you for just like letting it trade. Because I know you've been working on that a lot of just like not over managing and just letting the trade do its thing. And it's just what you got to do. It's just like, that's like, dude, like the past 3 weeks, that's why I got cooked my live account so much is like I just have been letting it do its thing and I just don't over manage or whatever and just how I trade. Set and forget. Yeah. It just is what it is. Definitely looks like it's going to take us out though.
Yeah, shit's whack. This was an opportunity for it to go higher, but
Yeah, that was the only
yeah,
opportunity pretty much. It's done. Yep, I'm ready to go fuck off to enjoy my day. I'm super over this. Extremely over this.
are we really doing this?
Look at it. Look, he's butthurt. Needs you to lose, so keep buying demos from his prop firm. Dude, if you just go, like on a real note, I know it's just aggressive to you. If you go back and actually watch the stream since we started in June, I literally took over $50,000 in payouts in 3 months, and I've had a 3-week bad streak, which happens to every trader. So that's what it comes down to. And everyone in this chat is supportive, and it's just funny whenever people come in and they try to be negative. So just know that like the hate comes always from below. That's also I'm giving you a life lesson here, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna be like the older adult figure. I'm gonna give you a life lesson. Hate only comes from below. So if you try to be supportive and actually ask questions and learn instead of being a little kid about it, you'll actually probably grow in life. So, and yeah, Charles, how does he get
That's
a
a
live
very
account
good,
from losing
right.
trades?
Right. That's a very good question. How do you get a
Yeah,
live account from losing trades?
yeah,
I'm
exactly.
curious about his stats. What's your stats?
Yeah, what's your stats, bro?
How many payouts have you taken? Go ahead and drop the calendar, bro. Drop your calendar.
Literally. Guy obviously didn't see me take $20,000 fucking win yesterday either on Apple. Just funny. T is low on T. Yeah, that T is not this T. This T is high on T.
Bars.
Look at this. Dark mode trading added. He's long. Is that are you added? Are you long? Is that what it is? I'm short floating break even. Let's see. 250K last month. Imagine you make 250K and you're here watching streams on YouTube of other traders. That's called cap. That's called lying. Look, you don't even have a profile picture. It's always the people with 2 followers every time. T, buy me a combine. Yeah, come on, dude. If you're so rich, why don't you go help people out, man? You're just gonna get roasted. You might as well just leave, brother. I'm just gonna tell you right now. Not doing yourself any good. All right, this is actually pretty interesting here. If we hold this low, this is gonna be pretty might be something. It might be something. Keyboard warrior. I know. I mean, he got the reaction out of me, but I'm just too cacked right now to give any more emotion. I don't really care. And honestly, this is just the price of growth and putting yourself out there on the internet. I'm gonna get haters as I keep growing. It's just part of it. And just you gotta accept it. Gotta accept it, man.
It's very true.
It's just part of it. Okay, this looks a little bit more decent here, gang. Let's see. Look at the 3 minute. This ain't bad. This ain't bad. If anyone shorted earlier, Drew and Jay, I don't know if you already took gains, took profits into the lows here, but this might continue to range bound and come back up here and sweep this now.
So just to clear 960s.
Be cautious on that. Oh, he loves you, Lawrence. Pause.
He loves me.
Yeah, he hates me because he got called out. He's soft.
Damn. Why does he love me, but not you?
I don't know. I'll tell you right now, though, Lawrence doesn't love you back.
Oh, shit. I love you, Tanner.
I love you too, Lawrence. I rarely like hate on people. I'm just going to do it when people come in the chat and just be aggressive here and there because I just don't hate on people usually. I'm usually a pretty solid dude to most people in life because if you treat people well, they'll treat you well back. But if you come in here just chirping your mouth, dude, my test is going to kick in and I'm just going to fucking rip you open. Pause.
Did I break it? Did I break your heart? I broke his heart.
There you go. Broken heart. All right, here we go. A little bit of action here. Let's see. This would be really funny scenario if this doesn't break the lows and it actually works now.
Des, you are a wild boy.
Des.
You are a wild boy.
I need to grab beers with Des, but Des lives pretty local to me. I need to come to your O side, right, Des? I need to come down there. It's like 45 minutes for me. Next time I'm down there, I'll hit you up. Go to Pure Project, grab a beer. Move stops to break even now. That in it, brother. I'm gonna DC
go through all of this.
DC. I'm not gonna be mean to you. I'm gonna genuine question. After this action that came in, if I would have moved stops to break even here, how do I know this isn't gonna pull back again? Look after all this mess. Keeping this at the extreme is the best scenario in this case. If it would already rip stick, man. Yeah, it's like definitely not. No, that's why that's why I was like, all good. You're totally good. First time watching, guys. No. So me and Lawrence pretty much never moves our stops to break even unless it's like really, really up there and like we're super in the money on the trade. But we are kind of set and forgets and higher R multiples. So like this is a 3-to-1 trade. I'm just letting it trade. That's how we do it. That's how I'm doing it. And so yeah, that's it. Because if it's like this, because of the reason as well is if you move it, you know how many times I've gotten stopped and how many headaches I would have had versus just leaving it here at the extreme low and letting it do its thing. And then now kind of back and starting to work again, right? So we're pushing back through New York VWAP here, getting a little bit of movement.
And the way that I think about it is like, you know, I'm not going to move. If I were to move it to break even, I'm literally going to wait until after price retests the area of entry. Like I literally have to wait for that at least.
Yeah.
So if I enter, it's going to take off, come back, retest the area of entry or whatever, because we normally enter in consolidation. So it'll retest the area of entry, and then once it goes to like 80-90% of take profit after it retests the area of entry, then I might move it to break even. Maybe that because it shouldn't come back down after that.
Yeah.
You know.
Here's this actually looks finally this candle's about to close here, 15-minute bar. Okay, we just got a bullish engulfing 15-minute bar after coming sweeping and failing to go lower here. Holding it here at the lows. This is the first actual real signal bar we've had literally since this initial one here at 10 a.m. So this is good. It would take a lot to just dump this now. It totally still could happen, but this is starting to look a lot better. So now for sure, don't move stops. Let it work. And let's see if we can get the push here through this wick and kind of come back up here towards 25K. That's the plan now.
Damn, this shit. See, this is. I hate trades like this, honestly.
Yeah. I mean,
Because
it's tricky. It's just like it's in a range, dude. It's just terrible conditions.
this was supposed to be the takeoff. That should have been like the takeoff. Like,
It can still take off, dude. I know, but it's just mouse wait or the fucking market's waiting on Powell. That's the problem. Could fit. Just this VWAP is they're so tough, dude. Again, into fucking New York VWAP rejection. But at least on the 15-minute, like I said, we did get this bullish engulfing bar. Let's see if this can go higher. We're at the top of the market too, right? It could be the top. Yeah, it's definitely overextended. It's for sure. Harder conditions to trade. That's all it comes down to. More difficult. Daily is screaming small red pause bar. Only 5 more hours to go. Yeah. See, I love Drew always like, dude, this guy, just get out of here, bro. No one wants you in this chat. You're literally like the outcast. No one wants in the friend group. Just you can go somewhere else. These guys teen go suck a dick. I just can't imagine going into a stream where everyone hates you and just trying to prove a point. Like, you're not gonna win. You're just not gonna win. I don't like. I just like. Why waste your energy? Like it's like you. I get it. You're probably out of shape. You probably don't have friends. You probably never got bitches. Like, dude, I get it, man. Like it's I don't fully get it because I'm not you. I'm completely the opposite. So, yeah, and you're probably a lib also, bro.
no.
I can't. Yeah, Max. Look at Max with the stash, dude. Yeah, I can't reason libs. Max is
Oh
Max
my
knows what's up.
gosh.
Exactly.
You are such a clown, brother. You are hilarious, bro. So you're probably fucking lit too.
This guy calling me a liberal. Yeah, the man who fucking loves steroids and fucking saying all these things I'm probably gonna get canceled for on stream. Yeah, exactly. Call me whatever you want, man. Call me whatever you want. Hey, I'm a lib and I hate this guy. Yeah, dude, I did go to UC Santa Barbara. Actually, I don't care if anyone's a lib. It's all about your actions, who you are as a person. But it's just like fucking.
Oh my god.
You're not offering help to anyone, man. You're literally just running your mouth. And no one wants you in here. Rob an Indian, dude.
You guys are hilarious.
Man. Help who, bro? No one's asking you for help. No one's asking you for anything. I can help you. I'm not asking for help. T has they/them in their bio. Oh my god, I'm dying.
That's crazy, yo.
I needed this. I love you guys so much.
Gosh.
Oh my
So
god.
he has they/them in his bio. That's crazy, son.
You guys are all real ones, dude.
That's hilarious.
You guys are fucking all legit. Just remember though, this guy made 250K last month. All right, let's stop giving him attention. That's what he likes. Okay, we are getting some decent action here. Me and Lawrence probably give this like 10 more minutes. I don't want to sit through all this. Like, we'll be in the trade. I don't know, Lawrence. What do you think? I need to go make breakfast, and then I have like 4 calls today. I want to get some coffee. I want to train today.
Calls. Okay. Yeah. I mean, oh shit. I messed up my thing. Is it gonna come back on? Okay. Hold on.
What?
I I ripped a cord.
I think the UNH entry was pretty good today. It's looking decent. I got a lot of time on it. Go till March. Till March.
There we go. We need GE to go down.
Gee.
Mm-hmm.
You're sitting that trade for a long time, brother.
You think I'm gonna be in this trade for a minute?
Yeah, the thing's pretty
I got
slow.
time.
Good.
I
I do
got
like
till
this on the
January.
hourly. Check this out in the hourly, guys. This ain't terrible on the hourly. If this bar can come and engulf this, we still got a lot of time left. So I don't know. Man, I just want to take this, dude. Like a small day. Don't want to take this sweep here.
I was thinking about that, bro. I'm thinking about just going ahead and
I
getting
might.
out and like
I
damn
know.
near
I'm like,
break
I'm
even,
debating.
bro.
I'm like, do we
But it's
just
like
take it here at 75s, or is this gonna squeeze? Right?
No, we can because I'm at break even right now. We can, but the thing is like we came this far, so part of my mind is like this shit can actually go because we made it this far. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Like we made it this far. Like go to the 5 minute chart. Like
I know it's looking
I think
it's looking pretty decent now. It's just chop, dude. It's just markets betting on Powell. It's just hard. But yeah, it's like, what is this going to sweep this here and then fail one more and then finally fail? Right? That's the idea. I'm like, oh, we're going to sweep the 75 and then die. I could take it at 75s and just be up $300 in the day. After all this, it's like that's a win, to be honest. Just exhausting. DC, how often do you guys stream? Where you base? So we usually stream pretty much Monday through Friday. I was just gone last week on vacation, and I'm based in California. Lawrence is based in Florida. So
I'm gonna be honest. I'm about to move my. I kind of want to move it to break even, bro, and get out of here. But I'm looking at the 5 and 15 minute chart, and this shit looks like it can go.
let's see if we sweep liquidity here. Let's give it a few more minutes. If we sweep liquidity here and then it holds and starts to get some pump, that's the thing is I don't even know if we're going to sweep 25.10s. I mean, we might come into 25K.
Go to the 15 minute chart, bro, and tell me what you think about that. I'm telling you, the 15 minute chart looks prime. Like
I
that
know.
looks like
It
it's
looks
gonna
good.
go.
It does. I like this bar a lot. I like this last bar we just closed. I really, really do like it. And now we just came back and retested my entry. It looks really, really good. Like, but again, it's just when Powell comes on, dude, you can say one word and just come and you're done.
With that being said, I'm getting out. Yep, I'm about to fold, Mish. I'm about to get out. Yeah, I'm getting out.
Damn. Okay. Okay.
Yep, I'm out.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait. I'm gonna move it to break even. So if it stops me out, it just stops me out.
Where's your entry? Were you on ES?
I'm on 961. Well, my entry is 961.
961 is your entry.
Yeah, 960.
Oh,
Sorry,
wow.
960. 960.
Okay, so you just got back to green on this.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what I'm saying. Like I should just. So okay, I'm gonna give you my thought process, including mission, why I'm about to fold and shit like that, is because. So I learned about myself that one of my biggest triggers, one of my biggest emotional triggers that cause me to do all type of crazy shit when I trade is regret. So before I entered this trade in the back of my mind, I was like, bro, I probably just need to go ahead and lock it up. This is bad price action. Let me just call it a no trade day. But I entered a trade anyway, and that kind of gave me that feeling of like, damn, you might just be a fiend. Like, was the money, is it really that worth it? Is it the money or what is it here?
Yeah.
Like I did follow my setup, but it's like I didn't have to trade today because we all know how terrible this price action is. And then we got Powell coming on. So I don't like trading catalyst. I like normal price action that keeps me consistent. So Powell come on and wick me out. it's just going to be a bunch of regret. And once you get that regret feeling, you're going to want to like either the revenge trade or you're going to have a shitty day. So now I'm kind of like, maybe the emotional turmoil is just really not worth, even if this trade works out. Like maybe it's just not even worth it for real, for real. You know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
that's my mindset. And that's why I kind of want to do it. Cause it's like in the back of my mind, I should have locked out anyway because it's trash ass price action. So I moved my shit to break even.
Fair enough.
And
I respect you for
if
that.
it's
I respect you
yeah,
for
if
that.
it take me out, it take me out.
I respect you for
And it's
that.
about to right now.
Yeah, it looks like it's about to right now.
Yep, cool. All right, I'm out. I made $11 today. That's it for me.
Okay.
I'm good.
I'm probably gonna bail too, dude. I'm over it. I think I'm gonna move my my target here. We'll see. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it goes.
You done? We good?
Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna close it. Well, thanks for sitting
All right.
with us, guys. Appreciate all of you.
Yeah, for sure.
We'll see what this does. Peace.
I think it's gonna go.
I think it's gonna go.
Yeah, I think it's gonna.